Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a completely different video than I've probably ever filmed. As you can see from the title, we're gonna go through my closet. So here, that door right there is my closet. And I have so many clothes right now, like, that I can't even like function. And I wear the same 4 things every day, which is one of them is a shirt, one of them is these pants. So we are gonna go through it. I wanted to film this too because one, I've been so addicted to closet videos recently, like people organizing their closets and cleaning them out and decluttering everything. And I was like, you know what? I feel like this will be a great way for me to actually do it. So, because I'll have to finish it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take everything out of my closet and put it on my bed here because that seems to be the best way that everyone has done it, and then we will go from there. Brace yourself, I have a lot of clothes. There's more. You guessed it. There's
something Daryl needs to know. People you wanted to touch. Girls. And they all say the same.
Wow, this isn't even all of them. This is just all of my hanging stuff except for some dresses, but it's all like long stuff. So it's either dresses, jumpsuits, I have a pair of overalls. Those I know I'm not getting rid of. So I'm gonna leave those in there, but we're gonna go through that. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let the camera focus on me first. There we go. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through it all, and I'm gonna make a keep pile, a try to sell pile, or a sell pile, and then a donate pile. So I think I'm gonna do that first. I might try on a few pieces, and if I do, I will show you those. These I'm all keeping because I do wear these jackets and sweaters a lot. Oh man, is this gonna go anywhere? We don't know. I bought this at Plato's and haven't worn it once since I bought it at Plato's, and that was last year. So we're gonna get that back to Plato's if possible. I never wear floral, but I like this jacket. Oh my god, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put this in try on pile. I haven't worn this shirt in a really long time. I'm gonna try it on. This one's cute. I don't know if you can even see it. It says Midvale School for the Gifted, and it says pull, but he's trying to push. This is my problem. This one I've had forever, and I really like it. I should donate it. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna put it in. No, I'm not. Sorry. You know what? I'm gonna keep this one and we're gonna donate this one. I'm never getting rid of this shirt. I don't care what any of y'all say. I think all my bodysuits I'm probably going to keep because I wear bodysuits a lot because they're the easiest things to style in my mind. Yeah, all of these I'm going to keep too. Just because, one, I don't think it's really sanitary to sell or donate them, and I don't really want to just throw them away. My donate pile and my sell pile really aren't that big. I do have these underneath here though. I have this whole bin of clothes also. I'm gonna go through these also These are ones that I know I don't wear at all. And my thing was, I know I'm moving at the end of the, or at the beginning of the summer. And so I was like, if I don't touch these at all, I'm gonna get rid of them. I think I'm not even gonna do that, and I'm just gonna go through them. I'm gonna try some of them on. And if I really don't see myself wearing it, I'm just gonna get rid of it because I just don't wanna hold on to things anymore. So I have a lot of stuff and I'm kind of over it. Really just wanna get rid of a ton. Okay, I'm gonna try on the clothes that I said I was gonna try on really quick, and then we'll go from there. Do you see this though? This is still my this is my keep pile, and so is that. Is this gonna be worth it? Probably not. So that's all of my hang up stuff. Let me show you so far. So that's my donate and keep, or donate and sell pile so far. This is still my keep pile, and this is my keep pile. But I mean, like, I need clothes. I can't just get rid of everything. My pants are something I'm really gonna go through. I have quite a bit of pants that I just do not wear. So I'm gonna grab all of those really quick and we'll be back. I really only wear black pants. So these are all my pants. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put a pile of keep, a pile of donate. I already know I'm keeping. I love this skirt. I have a couple pairs that I do need to try on because I can't remember how they fit. Oh my god, these are my favorite pants ever. These for sure because I don't have a ton of jeans. Yeah, we're gonna keep all of these. That's already all my pants. I have a couple I need to try on. Gonna go try those on. Bye. So we have my shoes. Shoes wise, kind of wear them all. That's the problem. But I think I have a couple I want to get rid of. I don't really wear these anymore, and I have another green pair. So we're gonna get rid of these. I don't wear these. I don't wear these anymore, and I don't really like them anymore either, so we're gonna get rid of those. I am gonna get rid of these too, because I don't wear those, and I have a couple other black booties that I like more, and then I have these combat boots that I don't wear anymore. I have a new pair now. I'll get rid of these too. Now we put it all away. Holy shit. Like my outfit? Fashionista. Hey. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of the clothes hung up and folded that I have. I am probably gonna go through the clothes that I am selling and donating and figure out which one I'm selling and which ones I'm donating. And I'm gonna eat too really quick. And this will be a split-second transition for you though, so bye-bye. And I think I'm done. Finally! So all the stuff in this basket here, I am selling. And then all of this stuff I'm getting rid of, donating. And then I have some shoes on there that I'm getting rid of also. Hi. So it is the next day, really quick. I went through the footage again from when I showed you my closet, and after I filmed that video too, I went through everything again. Not really everything, but I went through and organized everything a lot better. So I wanted to re-show you that really quick and then show you everything I ended up getting rid of too. So this is now my closet. It looks so much better. So as you can see, I have more room here now, which like that's a pretty significant amount of room for myself. Like I'm very proud of that, and I just ended up putting my hats there for now because I need to figure out another area. But I ended up cleaning this little area up too, and then putting all my shoes away. So now you can see that all of my shoes have a home, and all of my heels and boots are now under there. We have all my pants, all my hoodies. I got out my shorts yesterday just because I went through these totes and I cleaned them out too. So I just brought my shorts out. But I'm really excited because I was able to get my like sweatpants, my sweatshirts that I don't wear that often, and then any like just normal t-shirts that aren't like cute t-shirts, like not all of these. I just hit the hangers. But I was able to get them in this little area, which I'm so excited about because now I have all this stuff here, which all of this stuff I didn't have homes for. So actually being able to put these here is so freaking nice. But I wanted to show you that that little pile there is everything I'm getting rid of. So there's 3 trash bags full now of stuff I'm donating. And then I ended up throwing a couple more things in the sell pile. So all of that is now in there. Anything I end up not selling, I'm just gonna donate also. I'm gonna find a women's shelter around this area because a lot of this stuff is still really good quality. It's just super old and I know Play-Dohs wouldn't want it. So yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I went through all my makeup yesterday too, and I threw a bunch away, and I threw away all of the old and expired makeup, and I gave a bunch of my friends some makeup also. And yes, I'm in like this cleaning mode now, and I cannot wait to like go through everything else. So yes, I just wanted to update you because the ending there was not the best, and then I even did more work after that I didn't feel like filming. So yeah, okay, back to the video. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I actually had a real lot of fun making it. I really want to start making different videos, not just makeup related, so I'm really happy that I did this, and I really hope you guys liked it. All of my social media will be down below. I would love a follow. I am now, I don't know if any of you know what Like to Know It is, but I am now an influencer on there. So I would really, really appreciate if you could go follow me on there. It's just Maggie Brennan MUA, like it is everywhere. I'll be linking all of my favorite pieces of clothing and all of my makeup favorites. Every time I make a makeup video, I'll put everything on there so you can just go ahead and buy it. But I would love your support on there also. And that's everything. Okay guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.